It's a sunny day. The gang's all here. New chip on my shoulder. Ha 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 ha. Shout out to Dochi. Hey YouTube, it's me Kristianna. Welcome back to my show. Welcome back to When in Out Pink. Hello, I am doing my thing from a new camera. I have the new, it's new for me, the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. Yeah. It's a little bit weird. I'm hoping that I'll have something worth posting by the end of the day, I guess. I don't know. The screen on it is like very, very little, and I think that's what's like throwing me off, because although I can see I have enough room to move my hands around, it's just like, I don't know, it's gonna take some learning. It's definitely gonna take some learning. Okay, anywho, I need to run out, but I wanted to like chat for a second, right? Because at this time it's Sunday, it's I guess 2 days until New Year's Eve, 3 days until the new year, period. It's just like, there's just a lot of stuff on my heart right now, you know? The end of the year, this time of year is often really hard for a lot of people. It's definitely hard for my family. We've experienced a lot of loss around this time, you know? My grandma, she like passed away in 2008 in December, and then my great grandma, who outlived her daughter, passed away in like 2017. She actually passed away the day before my birthday, which was really awkward, and is awkward every year, because not that I like want people to forget about my great grandmother, I would never say that, but it's always like weird because like people like my birthday like sometimes becomes an afterthought because this situation happened the day before, you know? But also it's not always bad, right? Like Baby the cat, her gotcha day is the day before my birthday also. So personally, I have a positive memory of the day also. Anyway, this time of year is really hard, you know? People pass away. Like one of my good friends actually, and now I'm just like remembering it on the spot, you know, like not that I forgot, but like my one of my good friends from my young adulthood just passed away a couple of days ago. Hit and run in Florida. Like what in the world, you know? And it feels like it's always in abundance, like the loss towards the end of the year, and I don't know what that's about. Like I have no idea what that's about, but it does tell me like, you know, we need to cherish the fact that we made it through another year, and be grateful for it, because you just never know. You never know. Anyway, I didn't mean to like open up the vlog with like negativity, but I just want to say like, if you're having a hard time this time of year, I see you, and hopefully whatever you're experiencing like passes soon. Anyway, I need to go to the store because I am hosting New Year's at my house, old school style with my family. When I was younger and stuff, my mom always made a big deal out of New Year's. Like, you know, we got to stay up like with her and watch the ball drop, and we'd have snacks and candy and sometimes pizza, like whatever, you know? So we're gonna do all that stuff, but like on a budget, okay? Because as a personal boundary, period, everybody who said they was coming, everybody, it's my siblings and their significant others and my mom, right? But like everybody who said they was coming, they put money in, and I matched the general amount of what people put in the bucket, and I'm not spending no more than what is in that bucket. That is the challenge and the boundary that I have set, period. Okay, so I ordered some stuff off of Amazon that will be here tomorrow. I ordered like a little card game to get people kind of chatting and having fun, and I ordered some stuff for vision boarding. We're gonna do vision boards this year, so I'm excited about that. Actually, I don't have like a ton of like lofty goals for 2025, but I am excited about like doing a vision board situation. And that's actually part of the reason I need to go to the store, because now I need to go get poster board. I need to go get little like things to put on the board, glue, scissors, extra scissors, because I have a couple pairs in here. I need stuff, okay? I have a little bit of a list. Maybe get some snacks and stuff. I need to go to Aldi and get some like frozen pizzas, because that's like the most economical way to feed a lot of people is pizza. But also that, considering what's in the bank now, that I like, you know what I mean? Like frozen pizza. We'll see if we can get some French fries, because fries at Aldi are very affordable. And we'll see how much a bag of like chicken wings costs. Okay, we're gonna do it. I'm excited though. I'm really excited. Happy to be bringing in the new year with my family. We're doing something just like low key and chill, and definitely off camera, but you and I can prepare together, period. Okay, so I'm outside the grocery store. I drove out to the burbs. Like I'm literally in Delaware County. I drove out to the burbs because I was looking up like what is the best like Dollar Tree to go to. And like, cause my thing is like, I don't want to go to a dollar store that's like, why would you park right here? And don't you hate that? Like I literally like always go like park nowhere. Okay, I'm back. He wasn't trying to park here. He was trying to ask me about my car. People always want to buy my car. Leave me alone. I love my car. Anyway, I was gonna say, like, don't you hate when you like park in the middle of nowhere and then people still find you? It's like very clearly like it's like you parked here because you want to be alone. Anyway, yeah, so I was like, let me find me a good dollar store if I'm gonna go to the dollar store. And I actually passed the dollar store on my way to this Aldi because I wanted to go far out and then just keep coming back in. You know what I mean? So it made sense for me to go to the Aldi first because it was the furthest out. Yo, it's like a standalone dollar store, one, and it's like on a mountain a little bit, and it's just like ginormous. It's probably the biggest Dollar Tree I've ever seen in real life. I'm excited to go there. But first we gotta get these groceries. Get us some frozen pizzas and some wings. Okay, you heard? I realized this whole time I've been looking like at my reflection when I need to be looking here. We'll figure it out. We'll get used to it. We got supreme pizza. We got chicken. Buffalo style chicken. We have to get one of these. I'm literally outside dressed like a snowman, and it's hot as heck out here. I hate global warming. My GPS tried to play me and act like it didn't know about this fucking dollar store. But I know you know about this dollar store. So I found it. But I'm about to get off task because there's a big thrift store across the street. But we gotta stay strong, okay? Because that's not really what we're supposed to be doing today. But I'm gonna try to remember that. Valentine's Day stuff out already. So I'm back from the store and I managed to hold up my boundary, you know what I mean? It was very close and it was very tight, okay? Trying to like stick to a certain dollar amount in the dollar store or the $1.25 store. I can't even believe it went up 25 cents. I guess that says how long it's been since I've been in the dollar store. I'm overdue though for like a personal trip. I'm gonna go back to that one specifically because that was like the best dollar store I've been to in years. Everything like stocked. It was like an old bank is what I realized, because there was like a little drive-through thing. It was like an old bank that they turned into a dollar store. Either way, like ample parking, like I said, wall-to-wall shelves, stock, and all kinds of stuff I ain't never seen at the dollar store. I'm definitely going back. I'm definitely going back. Till then though, here is my little like New Year's Eve grocery haul, I guess, if you can call it that. So I got 2 frozen pizzas. I'm gonna take this out of this container though, because it's not gonna fit in my freezer at all like this. But this one's chicken, like a buffalo chicken flavor. I thought my family would like that. Make some room. I'm sitting here acting like my landlord not on his way here. My landlord will be here in like 15-20 minutes to check on a light bulb that went out, because he's a saint, okay, period. Okay, I think I'm just gonna have to put the pizza in here kind of funny, I think. Okay. And then I got a regular like cheese pizza, period. Actually, I can use this one to support this one. This one's not fitting. Where do I put this? How do I put this in here? Oh no. This is not good. Okay. This pizza's too wide to fit in the freezer as it is, and that's not good. Let me try one more thing. Shucks. Okay. Success. Success. Okay. I got a shelf in here all wonky, but we were able to put the pizza in. Success. A win is a win. Okay, then I got some buffalo chicken wings. There's like mad of them in here. And this whole bag is only $10 versus having to spend like $40 to feed everybody from the pizza shop. Love that. Okay. So then I made an executive decision and chose to get us tater tots. I don't really know if folks like tater tots like that, but it don't matter now because we got them. We're rich with tater tots. Take those right over her. Period. Got me some ravioli, in which I will be having for lunch right now, even though it's 3:30. Got chips, got some juice to have with some whiskey, because again, when I'm the captain of the ship, I get to make all the decisions. All right, so we're having whiskey. Okay, got ketchup, and we got ranch, because again, executive decisions. I'm a ranch girl over blue cheese. I think that's it for Aldi's. What? Huh? Baby, the cat better be quiet. She has everything she needs in life. Yes, she does. I know it. She has everything she needs in life. What's this? Chicken? What is this? You ever find something in the freezer and you have no idea what it is? Yeah, that just happened. I don't know what this is. It looks like chicken, though, of some sort. I just don't know. I don't know. We'll deal with it another day. Okay. So I think I said this already, but we're doing vision boards this year. I was able to find the big poster board, so that's good. I got two like inspirational books that you pulled for vision boards coming in the mail. They'll be here tomorrow. Oh, my water's finished boiling, so I'm gonna put my noodles in there. But then I got some like construction paper. I got some like tablecloth, like fun kind of like tablecloth. I got some markers. Got some dish liquid for me. Got some colored pencils. And these like fun crown things that everybody's gonna have to wear because I'm the boss. I got some like gold plates because that's fun. Some extra scissors and these like butterfly things that I know my mom will put on her vision board. I got these like Happy New Year's blowy things. Got some little like hearts, they're like sticky. Got lots of glue, lots and lots of glue. Got some candy and got some like hard candy too. What else is in here? Some markers. There's a lot going on. Okay, we're gonna be vision boarding up in here. Period. That was fun. What? You better leave me alone, mama, because you always complaining.